morning, y'all. Hope you have had a great weekend. Ready for this week, and it's getting close to the end. Just want to go through today. I'll do it real quick because you got a video to watch. You may not need it if you understood Friday, but it's kind of a guidance thing. So let's just go through. Here's your today announcements you need to look at because you need to sign up on Sign Up Genius for a phone conference with me. It won't take long, but it's for this week starting Tuesday, and I have 15-minute time slots in there you just sign up for. It won't take 15 minutes, but I just want to ask you a couple of questions, and that'll be it. So if you would please, and also put a phone number that I can reach you, and I'll call you during that time. So here's our announcements for today. Here's our classwork for today right here. I just want to give you a heads up of what we're doing. Okay, so we're going to view the assignment. So I'm not going to do that. All right, so it says the Google slide is interactive. Focus on the standard of graphing two or more linear equations. We call those systems. So systems of equations, and their solution is when they have an intersection point. Some do not have an intersection point, and those are usually have the same slope. So that means they're parallel lines, but different y-intercepts. And then there's those equations that look different, but when you get them to y(mx plus b) form, they're exactly the same, and they overlap each other. They stay right on top of each other, and all their points are the same. So the only one we're talking about is the solutions with graphing. So the only one we're doing today is the one with graphing. So there's a slide here, and first slide is just introductory. The second slide is where you're going to see the steps. There's a video here, so you can make it bigger by hitting the little square. But it's me going over number 3, and then you can pause it and do 1 and 2 and 4. And then you can check at the end to see how you do 4. I didn't put 1 and 2 on there because 1 and 2 are already set up in y=mx plus b. So you just match the equation to the graph, the blue, and then you match the equation red to the graph. And then you just, whichever one it is, you put it in this box right here, both of them. So let's say it's B and G. So you would put B in the box and then G right overlap it. And then whatever point that the red and the blue intersect, that's their point, that's their solution, that's their intersection point. You put that right there. So if it's -5, 4, you'd put -5, 4. That's all you do. Okay, and so 1 and 2 are about the same. This one's going to be negative. So the first things that I would do is look at my choices. And if it's negative, like this one is negative, I would block out all the positives. So B is positive. Okay, I would block out all the positive. If it's positive, I'd take away all the negatives. So pay attention to that. Okay, remember the +3 or the -3 is where it crosses the y-axis. This would be go down 5 and to the right 3. This one would be go up 1 and to the right 3. So pay attention to your points, okay? And then I did this one on the video, so watch that. And then pause it after you finish 3 and do 4 on your own. And then watch 4 to check and see if you did it right, okay? You may want to watch 3 first just to see what you do if you don't understand the directions. So you want to watch the video, but pause it after you finish number 3 once you figure out what it is. Try number 4 and then go back and fix it if it's wrong. Okay? So I want to also share with you a couple of things on our classwork. So there is a section for missing work, and it says please pay attention. I've put individual people, I've put your assignments up under here. Now this is posted to each individual person. So whatever you're missing, if that comes up, I put that for you. So there's, it's just your assignments that are missing. So that's directly from me to you. under that. If you don't have anything, then you're good. You know, we've been talking about May 8th. I'm trying to get everybody on May 8th. If you don't have anything in this list, you're definitely ready. Most of you only have 1 or 2, maybe 3 things there. You'll be fine if you just get those done. We can work on anything else. Anything we do this week will be formative. So all this stuff right here is already in the grade book and it's missing. So in Infinite Campus. So make sure you look at the missing assignments. If you're missing one, just do those real quick on Tuesday on our catch-up day, okay? And I will open up Google Meet from 9 to 11 tomorrow morning, or this morning. Sorry, it's night before. I usually make these videos the night before, but I will open up Google Meet this morning from 9 to 11. And then Tuesday, as you do catch-up day, I will open it up for all day. So I'll be available all throughout the day several times. And if you message me and say, Ms. Bush, I need to talk to you, we can do that. I don't understand something, whatever you need, I'm going to make that the catch-up day that I'm going to be available for you throughout the day. Whenever you need me, you just click on the Google Meet and I'll be there, okay? Hopefully you don't have any questions. If you do, Google Meet 9 through 11 this morning. Have a great day.